Today it's going to be a tag-along video. I am currently doing some showings for a client in downtown Toronto looking for condos at this price point. So if you're interested in seeing what's currently on the market and what condos are going for at this price point today, then stick around. Hey, it's Amanda here with the Moving to Toronto team. If you're thinking about moving to Toronto or the surrounding suburbs, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now so that you're the first to know about the current market here in Toronto. We love helping people just like you, so whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, reach out to us. All of our contact information is down below. So this was building number 1. There's actually a few units that we looked here, and these are actually 2 buildings together. So let's take a look. Pretty standard unit for this price point. It was really good unit. The one thing I would say was pretty narrow, but that view that you get, so you do kind of get 2 views you're going to see coming up right now, but on the side you do see the lake. It is a very beautiful view, so that was definitely a big feature of here. There is no balcony, but you do get a parking spot. We definitely loved this unit. There was a lot of space. The layout was just really good overall. It did also have a balcony with a pretty good view. You still have the lake view, which you'll see towards the end when I go outside on the balcony. But this one is a room plus a den, so it actually is a separate den as well. And I really enjoy the front. That's where you have the dryer, the washer, the washroom, and all of that. So as you can see, it is a really good layout. It's very spacious, and you do also have a balcony here on your left-hand side. We did see one more unit here, but there was tenants, so I couldn't film, but the rooftop was beautiful. They had a beautiful pool up top where you could see the water view as well. So definitely a plus. Then we're off to go see some more units, this time in Liberty Village, which was close by. So this was the very first building, so let's take a look. So this unit was the most expensive unit that we saw, and it was a 2-bedroom, although we did see one other 2-bedroom as well. But this one's definitely the most expensive, not in the average price point that we were really looking at. This was just a little bit more, but they were interested in this unit. So it is a very unique and different unit, and I would say because of the location and the shape of this unit, as you will see coming up, it has like a point and it kind of gives that pizza shape vibe. And so yeah, it is windows everywhere, which is beautiful, and you really do get amazing views. Yes, there is currently people living in this unit, and that's why you have the birthday decorations and all the things, but you guys get the picture. So we're gonna move on to the next unit. We also really enjoyed this unit as well, and this one in particular was staged. So that always really helps to kind of just envision what the place can look like. And you know, when it's decluttered and all that, it's always better. But anyways, so this one was also really good, felt really spacious. The view was definitely a different viewpoint. The other one, you know, obviously had more glass and things like that. This one, you do have a view, but just from the other side. And yeah, so let's move on to the next unit. Now we're off to the last building, and this is going to be the last unit, guys, so enjoy. So this is the other 2-bed, 2-bath condo that I was talking about. And this one is a corner unit. So I really like it, of course, because you have the big windows, the nice views, and yeah, so you'll see the view a little bit later on. but even the bedroom has a good view. It also has like those L-shaped balconies that are really long, so there's lots of space in the balconies. And this one also has a walk-in closet as well. Now there is, you know, it's occupied, so there is things in here, so it is always harder to kind of vision your own stuff when you see other people's things, but it is what it is. You guys get the point. And yeah, so I really liked this unit as well, and this is the outside view and the outside part as well. Well, we hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and tap that bell notification. And if you're thinking about moving to Toronto or the surrounding suburbs, go ahead and reach out to us. All of our contact information is down below. And if you want to see more videos like this one, watch this one next. And until next time, guys, see you around the city, and God bless.